Alright, everybody, we're going to be opening up Team of the Year packs today. EA opened them up for 4, so it'll be 1 Team of the Week player, 1 item, and 6 gold or better. Alright. Oh yeah, and 2 trophies. So, touchdown return. 94 Des Bryant. Not bad. He goes for a decent amount. Alrighty. Let's move on to the next pack. Hopefully we can pull a Team of the Week or Team of the Year lineman. Alright, see, I'm gonna move around to see if I can get a better connection. Alright. Next one. Trophy. Beastquake. 88 Lacey. At least I'm pulling the elites though for the Team of the Week player. Alright, 2 more. Let's hope for Team of the Year. Catch. Oh, I guess I hit. We also got a Levy linebacker for our Team of the Week. And opening up this last pack. Alright, last pack. Oh, that might be our Team of the Week. Jimmy Graham on it, that's an elite. And those are our packs. Got an elite player in every one, so it's not that bad. I was hoping for something better, but it's alright. Alright, everybody, thanks for watching.